Alright, welcome guys once again. It's actually been a while I uploaded video on this channel. So you guys should be updated that from now on I'm going to be dropping videos back to back on this channel and everyone is going to benefit. So without much talking, let me quickly show you guys. Alright, so the first thing you need to do now is head over to your Claude, yeah, go over to your Claude. Then if you don't have any image or maybe any strategy of anyone you want to really automate, what you just need to do is go over to Google, search for, you can see SMC, so SMC trading strategy. You can go over to images, then you can see any image you like, any image of your choice. You pick anyone. For me, I'm not going to pick anyone now because I already downloaded anyone. So what I will just do now is go over to here, click on this plus button, then go over to the files where the file is. So I'll click on files, then I will just click on the image I downloaded so far. I'll click on open. Let's wait for it to load. Now it has been loaded. So no, this is just a screenshot of one strategy I just got from somewhere, not actually mine. So I got it from somewhere and that's what we are going to be working with now. So what we are going to do now is we've uploaded the image. Now we want to ask it to give us a Pine script. And so this Pine script is what you use on TradingView to make it work with TradingView. This is why some people say you trading strategy, indicator strategy, etc. This is what they actually do. So make sure you pay close attention to this. So, but if you've not subscribed so far, please like and subscribe this video because this is going to be one of the best videos you are going to watch today. So let's try something to say give me a Pine script for the strategy uploaded. Trading strategy just uploaded. A complete So let's wait for it to generate. Note, if you don't have, maybe you don't have any strategy, or let's say you don't have anywhere you can get it, and you really know how to trade, and you know that this your trade has been working for you, you don't need to stretch yourself. You just have to automate the trade. What you need to do, go to TradingView, describe your, or let me just say, go to TradingView, describe your trade, or you analyze the market, draw your analysis, and simply screenshot it, then take it over to here and do the same thing. So let's wait for it to finish. Almost there. Let's wait for it to finish. Architecting comprehensive Pine script. So we are almost there. So please make sure you like and subscribe to this video, so it goes to people who really need this strategy. So you can see it says looking at your chart, I can identify the smart money concept SMC strategy with this component. It says liquidity grab, price sweep above a swing high to trigger stop loss, order block. You can see, even if you don't really know how to use this strategy, you can just upload their screenshot and ask it to describe exactly this trading strategy for you, and it's going to do that for you. Remember, you can do this with ChatGPT or any other AI. Yeah, you can do this with any AI, but me, I'm using Claude AI. So we are almost there. Here is the complete Pine script. So let's wait a little. So while we are waiting, we just have to head over to TradingView. If you don't have an account with TradingView, you can create one. So go over to TradingView. And go to chart. No need to waste our time. So I already have some strategy on my listen, so I will just have to, let me just hide it. While we are waiting. Okay, I think it's almost done. So this is it. We just have to download it, or you go here and copy it. Anyone works best. So let me copy it. Click on copy. Thing one, means you copy it, you go over to your TradingView. Then you see this something that look like human icon here at the side. Check my cursor, follow my cursor here, then you just click on it. As you click on it, allow it to open. While we are waiting for, let's just download it. Try copying it, it's not going. I just downloaded it now, so I just go over to here and open it with Visual Studio, or anyone. You can use Notepad. For me, let me just use Visual Studio Code. Let me just use just now. And you can see it here. It shows you everything you need to know. So what you just need to do here is Ctrl+A to copy all, and Ctrl+A to highlight all, and Ctrl+C to copy it. So as you can see, I've copied it. Let me go over to my TradingView. This is the one I have before. I think let me use create new. You see where I click the one that is being named, the name of the destination. The drop down, I click on the drop down and I click on new strategy. You're going to use new strategy. We are not using indicator. So for now, we just click all and delete it, and we click Ctrl V to paste it. Yeah, we've pasted that. We've pasted our script. So what we just need to do, you can see this is version 5, and since version 5 is no longer needed, but let's just check how it goes. If it doesn't work, then we are going to use version 6. So what you just need to do is to title it, name it anything you like. You can name it SMC liquidity. Let's just leave it like that. Anything, you can just add your name. So you can remember the ones you are using custom tech. and you save it, boom, we are done. So you can see there is an error here. So since what we just need to do, we just need to screenshot this side. So if you want to screenshot, you use your you can use your snip tool, new, and screenshot, hold and drag it. Then you can just take a screenshot of here, copy it, go over to your Pine script, tell them, you can just paste that, Ctrl V, paste it, then tell Claude that you're having a little challenge. So please rectify the error in this code. In fact, you can just make it in rewrite the complete version 6. Why I use version 6 is because this version 5 is actually lagging, or let me say it's not actually working for now. I don't know, it's not actually working, it has not been working. So I just use version 6, and let's go. Please rectify the error in this code and rewrite a complete version 6. So it's now thinking about identifying and correcting the code errors. Okay, I can see the errors in table 9. So it's going to tell you where the error is and everything you need to know. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see, it's done. What we just need to do now is do the same thing we do. Click on download, allow it to finish downloading. Then immediately it's done downloading, click on open the file on your system. It's not done yet. Don't take your time. Open the file. We do the same thing. Open it with this just now, and we do the same thing. Ctrl O and copy. Then head over to your head over to your TradingView. Do the same thing. Ctrl O, delete, remove that, and then Ctrl V, paste. Let's check if there is still any error, and let's save it. Let's just Ctrl S to save. I just use Ctrl S to save. You can still use that. I don't know, there's still error here, but let's see how it goes. Let's say add to chart. There is no error. Those ones are not error. So let's just, all right, as you can see, we've added it. If you close it, you're now going to see it. Let's just minimize the downside. So let's switch over to candlestick. Not that. Yeah, you can see what we've just done, what we've built so far. With this method, you can automate any. You can see it has identified the bull order block. You can see the bull order block here. You can see it's even saying you should long. It's going to show you when to go long and when to. Let's go over to the previous one. Liquidity grab. You can see with this method you can do a lot. This is bear. You can see it shows a bear order block. So you can see you can set this thing here. You can set it here. Then immediately it reaches this extent, you can click on sell. You can set your sell signal here. Immediately it reaches there, you can click on sell. So this is what it looks like. Liquidity grab, you can see it has grabbed liquidity. You can see you can even go to settings and make some changes. Let me go to settings, and even you can ask Claude, how do I set it on different time frame. It's going to show you how to set it, but while we are waiting for that, let me just show you how to do that. You can just go over to here. See, this is the strategy we are using. You can just click on setting. Yeah, you can see swing look back length. You can set it to anyone you like. You can see immediately I'm doing it is adjusting, so we just leave it at 10. So you can do a lot with that. Allow Claude to show you many things to do. You can see you can do a lot with that. Properties, you can set it the way you like. Style, which is deals with the color when it's going above bar. You can change it to the color you want, like green. So you can do a lot with it. You can do a lot with this strategy, and I believe your trading journey is going to change. So we end here today. Thank you guys, and don't forget to click on that notification icon, so anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Understand? I've not been drawing video for a long time now, so I'm going to be dropping video from now on. So we can see that it's done. Yeah, it's done. So everything is done. So we are good to go. Thank you guys. Apply this and your trading journey will change. Thank you.